Namaskar friends, welcome to Presha Yoga and I am Presha. Today we will learn how to do Kapalbhati, a kind of pranayam which is also known as skull shining breath or breath of fire. So we just need our mat or any place where we can sit down in this kind of position, in a cross-legged position, and we're going to get started. So this breath is practiced to bring in a sense of clarity in the mind, and also if you do it in the morning, then a sense of clarity during your day. This is a very invigorating breath, so it is very important that you do not hold any tension anywhere in the body when you're practicing this breath. And also it is quite a rigorous exhale. So again, you want to make sure that you are, when you're seated, wherever you're seated in this kind of a position, you are feeling at ease. So if you want to place something, a cushion or a pillow under your sitting bones, please go ahead and do that. So in order to practice Kapalbhati, we have to take a passive inhale, a very soft passive inhale. And when you take an inhale, your belly will relax, so it will come out. When you exhale, it is going to be a rigorous exhale. So for that exhale, your belly is going to go in with a lot of force. We're going to first practice it slowly. So it will be a soft passive inhale when your belly will go out, and a rigorous exhale when your belly will draw in. So it's going to sound like this. And so in order to practice this and to get a better understanding of this, we're going to first make sure that we are in proper form and alignment with the body. So let's begin by closing the eyes. Place your hands on your knees or your thighs, lengthen your spine. Lift through your lower back, relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw, and soften your forehead. Relax the bones, the tiny muscles of your eyes and your cheeks. And now to get into the process of understanding this pranayam, we're going to place one hand on the belly. So when we inhale, we're going to feel the belly going out, relaxing. It's going to be a soft inhale. And with an exhale, the belly will draw in. So you can obviously feel it as your hand will also go in slightly. Let's do 10 cycles, slow cycles. And release your hand. Come back to your normal breathing. Observe how you're feeling right now. And again, observe if you are holding any tension anywhere in the body, any muscle tension you're constricting or contracting from somewhere. If your shoulders are kind of lifting up, please relax. If your jaw and your face is clenching, please relax. All right, friends. We're going to do this Kapalbhati now. Again, we're going to do 20 cycles of it. This is going to be in a rhythm. So just understanding and just keeping in mind that the same thing when we kept the hand on the belly, how the belly felt. When we inhaled, it came out. When we exhaled, it drew in. So staying with the hands on the knees or the thighs, close your eyes again, and let's begin. Come back to your normal cycle of breathing, normal rhythm of breathing. Observe the body. Observe the energy in the body, the prana in the body. And now we're going to do 50 cycles of this pranayama together. And we're just going to again make sure that if we need to make any adjustments in terms of our seat, we do that right now. Let's begin by closing the eyes. First, just take a nice inhale through your nose and an exhale through your nose. And let's begin. Coming back to your normal breath. And if you feel right now a sense of a little bit of more energy in the body and a little dizziness, then you know that you've gone quite deep in the practice, so you've done everything right. Just be still and be calm for the next few minutes, observing the breath, the normal rhythm of your breath right now, the sense of energy that you have created in the body, feel it, and how it brings a sense of calm and peace. And we're going to just take now a big inhale through the nose and a big sigh through the mouth. Let's conclude the practice with chanting Om once. Hands to your heart center. Big inhale through your nose again. Om. Thank you, friends. Hope this helped you to understand this pranayama a little better. It's always a joy to practice with you. I hope you be well. I'm going to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.